Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to make your mic sound better. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step would be to go to the first link I will leave in the description. The only thing to do is to click on download. Now we will go to the second link and we will download it in the same way. Well, we will proceed with the installation of the driver. First, we will extract both folders. Now click on this folder, and here we will have two installers, one for 64-bit systems and one for 32-bit systems. In case you don't know which operating system you have, go to this PC. Right-click Properties. And here in System Type, you will see what system you have. Then go to the installer, right-click Run as Administrator, Install Driver. After installing it, you will restart the PC. Once restarted, maybe the sound settings will be changed and you will not be able to hear anything. For that, you will come here and choose your audio system. Now we will proceed to install VoiceMeeter. Just open the folder, right-click on the installer, Run as Administrator, Install, Once installed, restart the PC. Now we will do the VoiceMeeter configuration. Open VoiceMeeter. And here, we will have to choose our microphone. And here, we will choose the driver VB audio cable that we install. Okay, now, just copy my settings. And it should look something like this. It is important to never close the program. Only minimize it every time we are going to use it. If you found this guide useful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you.